When we step outside and immerse ourselves in the natural world, we are reminded of the beauty and simplicity life has to offer. Look around. Every tree, every river, every mountain tells a story of resilience and growth. Nature thrives on balance and harmony, teaching us that we too can find a balance in the chaos of our lives. Just as trees bend in the wind, we too must learn to adapt to life's challenges. Nature shows us that flexibility is essential for survival. It's not the strongest species that endure, it's the one that learn to adjust and thrive in life's challenging changes.